All right, well, we've been talking about the strong two club opening bid and how does the responder bid after the two clubs, when you should open two clubs. We're getting into the final stages. Now, yesterday we talked about that when the bidding went two clubs, that the majority of the time responder was going to be bidding two diamonds waiting after that two club bid. Remember, the only time he won't bid two diamonds is when he has a 5-card major with 2 of the top 3 honors or better, or a 6-card minor with 2 of the top 3 honors. Any other time, he's going to be bidding 2 diamonds as a response to 2 clubs. So, we first talked about yesterday if opener bid a major and responder had a fit for that major. So, 2 clubs, 2 diamonds. 2 spades. The slower responder bids, the better his hand. If he jumps from 2 spades to 4 spades, he's saying, I have a fit, a trick, and that's it. That's all, folks. A trick, a fit, and that's it. But if he only raised 2 spades to 3 spades, it shows a fit, a trick, and a bit more. I have a little bit more to tell you. You want to bid slow when you have more because you might have a slam. Okay? Now we're going to talk about in just a moment when you have a fit, but you don't have a trick. So that's coming up. But right now, a fit, a trick, and a bit more. Slow. 3 spades. You just raise to the 3 level. 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, 3 hearts. You just raise to the 3 level. Going to the 4 level is a trick, a fit, and that's it. Okay? Now, 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, 2 spades. Same option as we had over there. But this time, South has no trick and less than 5 high card points. Doesn't matter whether he has a fit or doesn't fit, he doesn't have a trick. And he has less than 5 high card points. What South does is bid the cheapest minor suit he can bid at the 3 level. So in this case, it would be 3 clubs. And it almost always is 3 clubs, to tell you the truth. And what that says is I have no trick, and I don't even have 5 high card points. Basically, you're on your own. I don't have anything for you. After he bids 3 clubs and says he has no trick, opener is going to bid again. Because remember, that 3 club bid is artificial. And if opener rebids his suit, South can actually pass. If opener makes any other bid other than rebidding his suit or bidding 3 no, responder must bid again. Okay? So let's suppose that you had a fit. You had a fit at the very beginning, but you did not have a trick. What would happen? It would go 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, 2 spades. You'd bid 3 clubs, no trick, right? Don't even have 5 high card points. Let's suppose that opener bid 3 spades, saying, okay, well, I still want to play spades. Now, if you bid 4 spades now, it says, I always had a fit. I had a fit. I just didn't have any points or a trick for you. So it's not that you don't eventually get to tell partner that you had fess up, yeah, I did have a fit. Same thing if you bid 3 clubs, 3 hearts, right? 4 spades would be, I had a fit in spades. When you first started, when you bid 2 spades, I had a fit, but I didn't have a trick. It doesn't matter if you have a 5-card suit. Doesn't matter South has a 6-card suit. If he has no trick, he's going to bid the cheapest minor suit at the 3 level. Almost always that's going to be 3 clubs. Then it's up to opener to decide whether to force the bidding again. Now, what if South has his own suit and he has a trick, he has a fit, he has points? Well, if he has his own suit, he can bid it now. He could bid 3 clubs. That'd be, I have at least 5 points or at least a trick. or 3 diamonds, or 3 hearts. All of those are natural. They show that suit. They're 5-card suits. And game forcing. Because if your partner opened 2 clubs and you have a trick, or 5 high card points, you have enough for game. After South makes a natural bid, bidding just proceeds as normal. Just always is, North bids their hand naturally. If they rebid spades, they probably got 6. If they bid no trump, they want to play no trump. Okay? You have to practice it. There's a lot of little pieces in here that you'll learn as you go along, but that's the basics, and that'll get you started pretty good. I've got a good little booklet on it that will help you out some. And my bridge chats go into a little bit more detail, so you can always check those out. But I hope you enjoyed knowing what to do when you have a big hand, and I'll see you on Monday. I hope you have a good